Hey guys, welcome back to the pink envelope. I have Elhyme Home Inspiration. So this is a home decor box that I have opened, this is my third or fourth time over the last couple of years. It is a quarterly home decor subscription box. I will say in the past, or at least the past couple of boxes, they have been American made, American sourced, very much US based products. This box this time is not USA made products. They all are American sourced products, meaning everything in the box was purchased from an American owned business. But I do want to clarify, typically this is the box that I share with you guys that is the American made products. But let's just be real. Things are crazy right now. Shipping is crazy, supply chain is crazy, and so I do love that she still kept her focus, because one of the things that we've all loved about the Elhyme Inspiration Box is that she focuses on sustainability, functionality, organic made, and American made. Those have been her principles since the beginning, and she has done a beautiful job of sticking with those. So for this box, this is the Fall 2022 full spoiler. She does have a beautiful customization. I'm only showing a few of the products, so I guess I should say it's a partial spoiler. I'm going to show everything I have here, but when you go to log in, you can customize through and kind of pick things, and that is something that she is working on. That is something she is developing right now. So if you log in today and customize this box and then come back for winter and it looks a little different, she is taking our feedback and customizing in customer service and in curation and adjusting the box to what she is hearing the majority of her subscribers say. So if that is not a rave review for a box owner who really cares, I don't know what is. So everybody I've ever talked to who subscribed to this box has a beautiful experience. The box is $98 quarterly, and US shipping is based on where you're located. If you use the code PINKENVELOPE, you get 10% off your first quarterly box or an annual subscription. I have been told it's smart if you're a new subscriber to create your account first. So go create an account, then start adding things to your cart. This box is going to ship September 1st through the 5th. You can select a pre-built box, as in she's already done all the legwork. You can just go select and she'll curate and surprise you, or you can go through and customize. Let's see, she does have add-ons now that you can easily add on to the box, and she makes some recommendations. Like, so if you're getting this, I recommend that, which I think is awesome. I think she also does the limited edition pop-up boxes. So once you're a subscriber and you sign up for the newsletter and the email and all that stuff, she'll email you and let you know when she has those available. If y'all have ever seen my outdoor kitchen, a lot of the stuff like this organic sponge and the vases out there came from my very first Elhyme box. I need to look that up. I keep wanting to say a year ago, but it might have actually been longer than that. So this box is like literally brimming. I just cut it with my scissors. It was not, it didn't come torn up like that. Okay, so we've got some information on a product that is in there. I'm not going to say what it is quite yet. This box, and this is something I'm working on. We talked about this in my last couple of home decor box openings. I'm asking my box owners to define the style of their box. We can subscribe a lot easier when we know a box is going to deliver a defined style. If it's an undefined style, that means every single box we get is like at the whim of how the curator's feeling, and that may or may not match our home. So when I asked Elhyme, what is the description of your box? She said, we are hoo-gah, which if you're not familiar with that, this is what it looks like when you spell it out. Basically, it's a Norwegian word for coziness or intimateness, a state of balance, a state of well-being. And in Norwegian, I believe it's like based on like a mental state. That's where it originated, but it has been moved into home decor as also a state of feeling and a state of decorating. I am a fan. You're going to see a little bit of that now here. So let's slide this guy down here. I'm just going to rip into it since I already shredded it with my scissors. Oh my gosh. Okay. I always don't know where to start. I'm going to grab the big and obvious item because I can. Right on top is this guy right here. Are y'all loving that our home decor boxes are sending both the insert and the cover? I feel like I have been able to like up my insert game a whole lot with all these new boxes coming in with the inserts, and then those who do just send the cases only, I'm set because I've got a lot of pillows right now. I love, love, love this pillow. It does actually have a couple of tassels. They're like braided right here on the ends, but it's not overwhelmingly tassel-y. I have to say, the pillow that I just got in the last subscription box that I opened is going to coordinate beautifully with this one on my bed. My husband's gonna be like, no more pillows on the bed. I love pillows on the bed. This is so great. Here is what the back looks like. And if y'all remember the rug from Just Deco spring or summer, this is gonna coordinate really nicely with that rug. And then the pillow I was referencing is from the Free Spirit Design Bundle. That pillow that came, we got one pillow. This one will stack well with it. So I put it on my bed, but if you're working on a couch maybe, you could have that rug in the living room, that other pillow and this pillow, and it would look beautiful. I don't know what size this is. Let's see if it says. This is a hand-woven pillow that was handcrafted in India and hand-loomed by Indian artists. A 20 by 20. So it's a 20 by 20 hand-woven tiara pillow. It doesn't say whether it's washable or not. Let me see if I can open right here. I am a big fan of washable because I have kids and pets, you know what I mean? Spot clean only. So there's that. Keep that in mind when you are placing this pillow. I probably wouldn't put it on a patio or anything because you wouldn't be able to wash it so easily. All right, set that guy over there. This guy is huge. So remember, she has customization. So I'm showing one of many options that are available. At the time of posting this, she doesn't have a ton of inventory, but she is not sold out. I don't know exactly where it's at. So if we're getting through this and you're like, oh my gosh, like, yes, the price point lines up for me. It's an under $100 home decor box. The style lines up for me. Run down, grab that coupon code and sign it, because after releasing this, what little inventory she does have is going to go pretty quick. Oh, I like big beads and I cannot lie. This is fabulous. Oh my gosh. Look at these, you guys. And they're not so tightly woven. Like, they've got a little space of movement. The top is a hook and the bottom has a tassel. Ooh! Probably shouldn't have done that right in my face. That was crazy. Oh my gosh, look at my desk. Those are fabulous. So these would be so cute if you could get a set. So watch the home decor resale sites on Facebook. If you could get a set of these, of course, I'm like thinking fall and Christmas, and could drape them down. So this on one side of like a mantle or a shelf, and then duplicate that on the other side with greenery through the center. So bead, greenery, bead. That would be gorgeous. And these are so big that, you know, normally when you hang beads off like your fireplace mantle, they look like these teeny tiny things. That would not be the case with this. These are big enough to like hold their own. Love that. And right when I would have thought, I would have said, no more beads. I am about these beads. And then what do we have here? I've seen no sneak peek, so everything in this is a surprise for me. I had to work really hard to make sure I was not seeing anything. Oh, this is pretty. This is really pretty. Oh man, speaking of sets, this is something I would want a set of for sure. I think these would be fabulous on the patio. So the bottom is actually elevated and you put a candle on the inside there, and then this pattern actually will display out on everything next to it. So it says on here, the Jerome candle holder. Very, very cool. This is another item that I think a set would just be like sitting on a dining room table or sitting on an outdoor patio, or heck, if you had two planters on either side of your door and one of these beside each planter with a candle inside, that would be gorgeous. Also, Digging these gold tones. We've been seeing a lot of these colors this season. Is that not crazy? I'm here for it because I feel like all of the boxes are mixing and matching so easily. I know some of y'all are probably like, especially if this is not like your favorite color tone, like, come on, give us something different. But obviously this is what's trending and what's popular because we're seeing this over and over and over this fall season. And of course, many of you are like me and you have several of the home decor boxes. You're rejoicing right now because you're like, yes, you literally could decorate an entire living room or even, depending on the size of your house, like your living, dining, entryway, because we have so many cohesive items right now. Ooh, hold on. This is heavy. Feels breakable. Anytime I see this type of paper, I feel like it's like glass inside. Oh, is it more than one item? It might be multiple items. Oh, it is! Oh, these are so cute! So they're nested. This is a, maybe, would you call it a plate? A servingware? It's a little white pumpkin. There's that guy. Then there's one more, size up, this guy, and this guy. This is so cute. So it is a set of 3 white pumpkin plates. Would you call them pumpkin plates? Of course, y'all know me and my charcuterie. A glass of wine and charcuterie is like my heaven. And immediately I'm thinking of like a fall pumpkin inspired charcuterie using these serving dishes on it, or even like with the kids with candy, like candy corn in one, candy pumpkins in one, and something else. That'd be so cute. And I mean, the statement I just made about the colors. We hadn't had anything truly white in this box, and now I do. I want to hear from you guys. I would just like to know, are you loving that almost all of our fall home decor boxes this season are these colors? This is a little more brass. Some of them have been a little more gold, but they have been these browns, like this pillow color, these creamy whites. Yes, loving the cohesiveness, loving how they're playing together, or no, maybe wishing you were seeing a little more diversity. A lot of neutral palettes through this season, which then can be used year round. Like you could totally put a candle in here, but you also could put a huge thing of like orange mums, or you could put spring floral. So it does have a lot of versatility. The pumpkin plates, I'm very, very glad to see because this is a very fallish item and that makes my heart super happy. But y'all tell me what you are thinking. Okay, what else? We've got a big item in here. Look, I've got everything stacked in front of me. Hold on. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's a trough. It's a home decorator's trough, to be exact. This guy is long. It is a, oh my gosh, it literally says a long wood trough. I was being silly when I said that, but that's what it looks like. Like, look at the feet. It looks like a trough. So there we go. We've seen a lot of long, narrow shelves this season as well. Okay, let me make sure I got everything out of here. It always makes me so paranoid when I think I might throw something away. This trough is 24 inches long. So here's the big beads and the pillow. Like everything is a pretty large scale in this box, which now makes sense why that box was so big and long. Okay, what are you guys thinking? How are you feeling about the Elhyme Inspiration Fall Box? I love it. I love, love, love that these are universal pieces. I love that we've got a little touch of fall. There is a QR code that comes in each box. You scan the QR code and there's information on all the products and everything. Since she had to ship my box to me pretty quickly, it's not included in here, but you guys will have all of that. And for those still hanging out with us, playing with home decor, I am very happy to tell you that Elhyme Inspiration is going to give away a mystery box. So not this box. if you go to her website, you can see she has bundles and boxes there. She is going to give away to one of you guys a complete mystery box. So go ahead and still sign up for this one. It's going to be a different box with different things in it so you can get the best of both worlds. To enter to win that giveaway for a mystery box, you must comment below what you are loving about this box. I asked a few questions throughout the video. Pop an answer to one of those in. Have you been a subscriber to Elhyme and you just want to leave a rave review about your experience with them? Please, please put that down below. Like this video and subscribe to the channel and you're entered to win. I'm going to choose a winner in 3 days. So by Sunday, I'm going to pick the winner to draw the name for the mystery box. So do not delay. Hustle to share this with a friend so that they can enter to win, because I'm going to draw the winner fast. I usually take like 2 weeks, but I was like, no, we're going to do a fast drawing this time. I think that would be a lot of fun to do. We are in the heart of fall season, and it has been amazing to see the trends that are coming in, to get to play with these pieces, to see the color tones. I cannot wait to hear what you guys have to say in reference to, we've gotten how many boxes under our belt? 5 or 6 at this point, home decor boxes, and we have about 5 or 6 more to go. So we're like at that midway point. So tell me what you're thinking about what we're seeing here. Please subscribe to the channel. We have Decorate With Me's coming like crazy. I need to get through August where we have a lot of unboxings. But then come early September, at about the time all of your boxes are going to arrive, I'm going to be dropping Decorate With Me videos showing how I am using all of these items throughout my home, in the entryway, in the kitchen, in my laundry room, of course on my mantle, on my outdoor patio, and more. So there should be a space for everyone in there to see how to mix and match your different boxes and then how to decorate with your box individually. I hope that you're having an absolutely blessed day. And if you subscribe to the channel, I'm going to see you guys later. Bye, y'all. You guys, so whenever I finish a video, I always do the same thing. I go through all the packing material and I squish it. Like, are there any items in here that I forgot? I don't want to throw away a product. And just now when I was going through the Elhyme box, squishing things, I was like, oh my gosh, there's something hard. I found a whole candle in the box, which is kind of funny because this piece of paper that I was like, oh, it spoiled something in the box, is about the candle. Oh my gosh, sometimes I wonder about my brain. This is by Reverie Wicks and is a hand-poured soy candle in the scent Tea Tranquility. Oh my gosh, that's exactly what it smells like. Like a florally tea, but it almost like a spa as well. It's very tranquil. Oh my gosh. Okay, bergamot, mandarin, thyme, jasmine, ginger, white tea, and chrysanthemum. Very cool. I would have been so sad if I would have not seen this guy. And it does have a lid. Y'all know how much I am big about lids. It says the small batch hand-poured soy candle made in Sunnyside, New York. All right. Yay. Oh my gosh. So this technically could go in here. I don't know if it would put off enough light. You might want something a little hardier, but definitely would be great for an office. Like, I think I'm going to put it on my shelf right there and light this candle today and enjoy it. Ah! I'm so glad I found that.